Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Sun. In this video, we'll provide another example of recursion. Okay, GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, say we have two numbers m and n. For example, m is like 45, n is 10, right? Let's try to find out the greatest common divisor, which should be 5, right? 5 divides 45 and 10. The idea is the great GCD of 45 and 10, right? Is same as the GCD of 10 and the remainder of 45 divided by 10, which is 5. Okay, so now again, the GCD of 10 and 5 is the same as 5 and the remainder of that 0. Now what is the GCD, greatest common divisor of 5 and 0? 0 is the multiple of any number, right? So we get the answer 5. Let's create another example. For example, 12 and 18. Okay, so this will be the GCD is same as the GCD of 18 and the remainder of 12 divided by 18, which is that, right? 12 mod 18, right, equals the remainder is 12. Yeah, so now this is same, right? GCD is same as 12 and the remainder of 18 divided by 12, which is 6, right? 6. 18 mod 12 equals 6. Okay, now keep going. 6, right? And the remainder of 12 divided by 6 is 0. So whenever like this number becomes 0, we know this is the answer. Okay, oh, let's find another one, which are two prime numbers. Okay, like 7 and 3. Now it's same as 3 and 7 divided by 3, the remainder is 1. Okay, so now it's 1 and 3 divided by 1, the remainder is 0. Okay, so we know the greatest common divisor is this guy, right? 1. Based on that strategy or algorithm, we can create a function here, GCD of m int and n int return the GCD. Okay, so yeah, int. Now what is the base case and what is the recursive case? the base case is if the second one n is 0, then we return m, right? That's the base case. Otherwise we return GCD. So this one will be n, and this one will be m mod n, right? Now let's give it a try. We can delete some of them to save some space. Let's print out GCD 45 and 10. Run it. Five. Okay, cool. So what about 12 and 18, right? We tried that manually. 6, it works. Now what about the 7 and the 3? It should be 1, right? The greatest common divisor, yeah. And that's switch. It still works. It still works. Okay, to make ourselves look cooler, let's use a ternary, right, to do that. So remember the ternary, right? Return if that, right? We return m, otherwise we return this guy, right? So we can comment out that and test. One. Okay, let's try another one, like 16 and 24 or 48. Okay, run it. Oh, this will be 16. Yeah, what about 24? 24 is better. Now this is the single line. We can get rid of the return, I think. Run it. Wow, it's so cool. I think this is elegant, right? Haha, clean up. Wow, so much fun, right? Coding is so much fun. Recursive coding is so much fun, right? With a single line of code, we get all the strategy, right, in it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.